It's time for some SAT prep, non-calc. We've got if x comma y is a solution of the system of equations above, and x is greater than 0, meaning it's a positive number, what is the value of x times y? Well, I've got a quadratic, and then I have a linear equation. Now, oftentimes we favor elimination method when we're solving a system, but because I'm dealing with a quadratic and it's already y equals x squared, I can go ahead and use substitution by plugging that x squared in for y. Now that we have this equation in one variable, we can go ahead and distribute, combine like terms, and see what we can do to solve this thing. So I'm going to have 2x squared plus 6 equals 2x plus 6. Now I'm dealing with a quadratic equation here, so I need to set it equal to 0 in order to solve. So I'm going to subtract the 2x from both sides and subtract the 6 as well. So now I'm going to have those cancel out, and I'm left with 2x squared minus 2x equals 0. All right, so what do we do here? We're going to use a GCF, greatest common factor. So I've got 2x parentheses x minus 1 equals 0. Now I can take these two and set them equal to 0. So I'm going to have 2x equals 0, and I will have x minus 1 equals 0. I need to solve both of these. So I divide by 2, and I'll get x equals 0. Over here, I'm going to add 1, and I'll get x equals 1. So I've got two solutions for x. But if we look back at our original question here, it says that x is greater than 0. So we're going to eliminate that one from this particular problem. Now I need to get x times y. So that means I need to solve for y here. So I'm going to take my working x value based on this equation or this problem here, and I'm going to plug it in. So I think really the easiest one to work with here would be that guy right there. So y equals, and then I'm going to substitute the 1 in for x. I like to use parentheses when I substitute in. And then I will have y equals 1 squared is 1, so y equals 1. And if I want the value of x times y, well, I've got 1 times 1, which is just 1. My answer is A. That was awesome. America, freedom, rock and roll. Deuces.